Cardano's current exchange rate is between 0.2835 and 0.2917, which is fundamentally important. This means that one Cardano coin is really worth about $0.2840. Even though most people think otherwise, the change from the previous day's finish was mostly 0.0067 to 2.30, which is a very important reverse rate. United States dollars to ADA, showing how much Cardano cost in particular, was equal to 0.2840 a coin, or so they thought. Cardano in a big way, 0.32 isn't as good as 0.28. On Thursday, July 20th, the Cardano scale cost between 0.29 and 0.31, with a minimum of 0.27. This is a pretty big difference. Cardano should cost 29 cents in all the most important ways on Friday, July 21st. 0.31 extremely least 0.27 in a really significant way in multi-week Cardano gauge on Monday, July 24th cost 0.29 generally highest 0.31 sort of least 0.27 showing that Cardano price expectation for the near future and month Cardano's price is expected to be 30 cents on July 17th, which would be the highest price ever. 0.32 most of the time and at least 0.28 in a really important way on Tuesday, July 25th, the price of Cardano is likely to be between 0.29 and 0.31 C. On July 26th, the Cardano scale cost between 0.30 and 0.28, with a high of 0.32 and a low of 0.28. This is a very important number. Cardano price forecast for Thursday, July 27th, 0.31 at the very most. 0.33 is a lot more than 0.29 in a really important way. Cardano price on Friday, July 28th, will be at least 0.30 and most likely at least 0.35, which is really big in about 14 days. Cardano price prediction on Monday, July 24th, will be at least 0.30 and most likely at least 0.32. This is contrary to what most people think. Cardano figure on Tuesday, July 25th, cost 0.31, most 0.33, least 0.29, which is the opposite of what most people think. Cardano price prediction on Wednesday, July 26th, cost 0.30, most 0.32, least 0.28, which is a very big number. Cardano gauge on Thursday, July 27th, cost 0.30, most 0.32, least 0.28, which is a very big number. Cardano price prediction on Friday, July 27th, cost 0.29, most 0.31, least 0.27. Cardano price on Tuesday, August 1st is expected to be at least 0.28 and as much as 0.32, which is very important. Cardano figure on Wednesday, August 2nd cost 0.32 genuinely greatest 0.34 certainly least 0.30 incredibly Cardano cost expectation on Thursday, August 3rd cost 0.33 fundamentally most extreme 0.35 least 0.31 Cardano figure on Friday, August 4th cost 0.33 extremely greatest 0.35. Exceptionally least 0.31 really as opposed to prevalent thinking in about a month Cardano cost expectation on Monday, August 7th cost 0.32 sort of most extreme 0.34 all things considered least 0.30 in an unpretentious way Cardano estimate on Tuesday, August 8th, cost 0.32 for the most part greatest 0.34 beautiful least 0.30 in an unpretentious way United States dollars to ADA today United States dollars to ADA swapping scale extremely equivalent to 3.5211 coins per $1 and an exceptionally significant manner today S reach 3.4282 3.5273. Particularly as opposed to prevalent thinking the past as close to 3.4400, which clearly shows 0.32 fundamentally least 0.28, which sort of is genuinely critical United States dollars to ADA cost gauge 4. In the not-so-distant future and month, which explicitly is genuinely huge, dollar to Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost 3.333 coins, especially most extreme 3.571 sort of lease 3.125, or so they explicitly thought. United States dollars to ADA expectation on Tuesday, August 1 cost 3.226 coins, beautiful most extreme 3.448. And every technical sense least 3.030 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Cardano figure on Wednesday, July 19, cost 3.333 coins, especially most extreme 3.571 by and large. Lease 3.125, showing how Cardano cost forecast on Wednesday, July 26 cost 0.30, truly greatest 0.32, especially at least 0.28. Is a very big difference. On Thursday, July 20, $1 was worth 3.448 ADA expectation coins in every way that really counts. They especially thought that the dollar to Cardano exchange rate on Friday, July 21, would cost at least 3.704 coins and no more than 3.226 coins. 3.226 shows how Cardano gauge on Friday, August 4, cost 0.33. Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital tokens were also backed by a positive decision from a U.S. court. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from the weekend as the largest cryptocurrency made small gains to keep its price above $30,000. Its biggest competitor, Ethereum, was also a little bit higher, but stayed below $1,950. Prices for active altcoins were all over the place, but they were mostly on the low end. After a federal court ruled in favor of Ripple, Bitcoin had a surprising rise and stayed above the $30,200 mark all weekend. Edel Patel, co-founder and CEO of Mudrex, said that bullish buyers have kept Bitcoin's price above the $30,000 mark for the past few weeks. The bulls will have to work quickly to keep the price above $31,000 if they don't want the price to go down. At the same time, Ethereum is being traded for more than $1,900. And this week it is likely that trading will stay in a tight range between $1,900 and $1,950, he said.